Good morning. It's another day here for Stoked Living, and this is the first day after the little repair we made on we're gonna call him a little tyke on his leg, and we're gonna come out here and check and see how he's doing. Make sure he's still loving life. It's gonna be a nice day today. I'm not even seeing him. There he is. There's little tyke hanging out inside a little pen. Mama, she is ready to be fed. We'll break some ice in there, get that ready for her. So let's get some feed and we'll see how he's doing. Margaret, you be easy on my fence. It ain't very sturdy. Hey, Ollie. Hey, Ollie. Did Mama leave you? She'll be back. Ollie, you're pretty glad that the electric fence is off. Otherwise, you'd be yelping. Hey, Margaret. Bring this in here. Let's bring this in here and get you over. Hey, Margaret. Come on. Let me pushing. Hey, little tyke. How are you, buddy? How are you? Old leg still doing all right? Huh? Huh? Leg still doing all right? Huh, buddy? Huh? Mama taking care of you? Hopefully it is a better day today for you. Because you had a rough day yesterday. Yep. I hope it's a better day for you, tyke. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, if I hurry, I can get this, get through this gate before the rafters come. So, hi, Martha, I'm telling a story here. Hey, get down. So whenever I walk through this little gate here, I'll get in front of all of them, and then they want to run by me. They don't want to stay in line. Well, Screamer, get back. But I'm fine with all of them, except for one guy will come by and hook the lower part of my buttocks with them horns, and it kind of hurts. So I kind of got to go through there and act like I'm going through, and they run through and get out of the way, and try not to get hooked by them. It kind of hurts. All right, let's try this. Let's go. Off to the races. Ah! Okay, we made it. All right. Now we got to go over the little creek. Okay. Now they're ready for the food. You got to come in here and let's go check on this little one over here. He's just kind of hanging out by himself, and it's not kind of normal. Surely I don't have problems with another. Oh, there's a little tyke. He's over there eating. He finally woke up. Hey, buddy. I gotta think of a name for you. Did Mama tell you to just kind of hang out here? Did she? Come on. Let's get up. You're fine, aren't you? You got all your legs are good? All right, you just kind of sleeping. All right. Mama told you to stay there, so you better sit back down. You better sit back down. Tykie's out of his... He's out of his pen. Margaret's happy because she doesn't have to fight for the feed. So it looks like it's a little better day here on the farm. Knock on wood, no broken legs, other than one that's already broke and it's on the mend. Animals look good, so should be a good day. So we're gonna head on off to church now and go worship as a family. Have a little party for my nephew's girlfriend for her birthday, and eat some really good food. And then we got Super Bowl party tonight. Hopefully the Rams are going to win. I really don't care. Neither one of my teams. Really, kind of what it comes down to is if I'm pulling for a team, I don't need to say it out loud because that team will lose. Philip's getting kind of frustrated because we'll kind of pick a team that we both really like to win, and they end up losing. So I don't know. I don't have a dog in the fight on the Super Bowl, but hopefully it's a good game, not a washout, and hopefully it's a lot of fun. We're going out to JW and Amanda Walsh's place, kind of a guys' night, guys with the kids, and should be a great time. So you guys have a wonderful day in church, and love God, love your family. And in case you guys didn't know, today is what? Super Bowl Sunday. Our team is not in it, is it, Philip? Nope. But we're still going to celebrate it, and we're going to play a little bit of football. Here we go. Who's your favorite team, Philip?
Dallas.
Dallas? Okay. Who's your second favorite? Chiefs? Okay. Oh! Touchdown! Oh! Good day. Oh, yeah. Straight and go around fast. Huh. Hey! Hey! Boom! You gotta catch it. Fumble! Get down! Okay, got Rams, Bengals playing tonight. Who you pick?
Rams.
I picked the Rams too. What's the score gonna be?
31-30.
31-30. I want to say 34-28. Oh, we'll see what happens.